I'm not chasing money. I'm not chasing the fact that I might make money. I'm simply just following the process. And if I make money, it's a dub. We can make a whole lot of money today. We can make nothing. We can catch no trades. It's all up to me.
Yeah, I like these longs if we can retrace us a little bit lower.
I want you guys to know, not taking a trade is a W. Not losing money is a W. The whole point of us trading to begin with is to make money outside of a job. Be okay with having days that you're not making money. Be okay having slow days, because trust me, most people knock themselves out the game trying to rush the process. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video. It's early right now. As you can see, we're in Miami. We're on the balcony. If you haven't watched yesterday's vlog to see how I got here, to see the whole Airbnb and everything, you'll see some of it in this vlog, but I'm not going to do like a whole MTV tours like I did yesterday. But nonetheless, it's early. It's about 7:45 right now. The main reason I woke up was because I wanted to start creating some of the content for this project that I'm working on, and I wanted to get it out of the way early before I got a trade, because I got a trade at 9:30. So I wanted to get a couple, maybe like an hour, 45 minutes, just strictly making content when it comes to the project that I'm working on. It's not a YouTube channel. This is something that's going to be able to teach people how to make a whole lot of money. You guys will know what it is when the time comes, but just know I'm about to be working on it on my computer, about to be making the content for it right before we get with our trading session. So we got about an hour and a half, then we're going to start the VIP call, see what we can do, see if we can make some money, and just overall start the day off right. It's only Monday. We can make a whole lot of money today. We can make nothing. We can catch no trades. It's all up to me. It's all up to you. Let's see what we're going to make happen. I just recorded like 6 videos, just some burpees. We about to see what we can do. Nonetheless, we about to get the VIP call started. It's an amazing view, amazing day. I'm feeling great right now. My birthday's tomorrow. I'm ready to give value, create content, change lives, and make some money trading. If I can make some money trading today, it'll make everything better. But guess what? I'm not chasing I'm not chasing money. I'm not chasing the fact that I might make money. I'm simply just following the process. And if I make money, that's a dub. Yeah, we about to see if we can get a trade. Honestly, I'm about to take this down there though, because this sun is hitting different. No cap.
Yeah, I like these longs if we can retrace us a little bit lower. Like 40, 838.
All right, we just got done the VIP session. I ain't take no trades, 0 for the day. I feel like every time I record, something wants to go by, but it's cool. Fuck it, the microphone here should be straight. And now there's a Porsche. You know what? It's cool though. It's cool. It was a nice Porsche. It was pink. It was a pink Porsche. Cool little Porsche. See that? That's a good little car. He got it. I ain't even mad at him. But there's 16 people still in the call. I left it open for Cal and Dyson, so the people that are in VIP, you know who they are. But nonetheless, then you get to work. But right now, I'm about to take a shower. Matter of fact, you still want to go to the beach? Are we going to go to Target then the beach? Yeah, so we're going to go to Target then the beach. I'm not going to take a shower. I'm going to take a shower in the water. Yeah, because there ain't no point. All right, right now, my girlfriend's inside of the store. I'm in like Midtown Miami. This is the first time I've been over here before, but I like drove around. There's a lot of nice apartments, a lot of food over here. There's just barely any parking. I finally found a spot. But right now, I'm just chilling in the car. I think she's getting something for me for my birthday because she told me not to come in. My birthday's tomorrow. So that's that. But then after this, we're about to go get some food. But overall, no trades today. And I want you guys to know, not taking a trade is a W. Not losing money is a W. The whole point of us trading to begin with is to make money outside of a job, to find a way to make money by yourself, to be our own boss. You don't need to force it every day, because guess what? Every single trade you take, you're risking money. Every single trade you take, there's a chance you lose money. Don't always do it yourself. Mind you, my birthday's tomorrow. I'm not trying to lose money before my birthday. I'm trying to enjoy the last few days that I have in Miami. And if I make some money, that's cool. If I lose money, I can say I'm not going to feel it. But you guys know how it is. Easier said than done. I might say one thing, but that doesn't change how I'm going to feel. I can't control how I feel. I can only control how I react to how I feel. You
I got me the cashews. Do you want anything?
Say it again.
I got me the cashews. Do you want anything?
Get like chips. And now I got a little snack while we're on the beach. Nonetheless, I still need real food though. I don't know what we're going to eat. The main problem I've been having with Miami is just the amount of parking it is to get places, the amount of traffic it is, the amount of people. But nonetheless, we're gonna figure it out. I want to get something good to eat. I want to have something nice in Miami. So we're gonna see where that leads. But nonetheless, no trades. 0 for the day. Let's enjoy it. Gotta go to this place called Bacon Bitch. Yes, it's called Bacon Bitch. If you know, you know. But we parked up over here downtown Miami. It's raining, but yeah, I'm about to rush over there. I'm hungry as shit. Alright, right now we about to go to the movies. But yeah, I've been wanting to watch this new Deadpool and Wolverine movie. It's like 2 hours though, 2-something hours. 2.5 maybe, I don't know, 2 something. Starts at 7:45. No, that's cap. Starts at 5. I don't know what I just read. Whatever. But it's a 20-minute drive. We'll get there at 4:53. And yeah, I'm not sure what type of movie theater. It's something CMX Max and get them to bring us food, popcorn and stuff. So yeah, that's what we about to do. I'll probably give you guys like some bootleg. It's like I'll probably record myself. Ferrari store over here in Miami. All the different Ferraris. Over here, Thousands Museum. I need a crib here. I ain't gonna lie. Right up there is a crazy building. We're stopping here anyway. This right here. All these buildings are crazy. But this one specifically, I need a crib in there. Just look at that. This is where millionaires, billionaires live. Both of them. Yeah, we're at the mall right now. We're in Brickell. About to watch this movie. Going to the cinema place up here. It's at like the 4th floor or something. Never been here. You can see the sign over there. It's CMX. But we about to see what's up with it. Where is our movie at? Yeah, this is a good one.
Oh my god.
Good job. And we gotta order some food. I'm hungry now. Just got back from watching Deadpool. Yo, I swear, every time I pick up the camera, something wants to get loud. But like I just said, just got back from watching Deadpool and everything. We watched it down in Brickell. It was a nice spot and everything. Nonetheless, can't complain. Good movie. It was like a dine-in theater. So we were able to order food and everything there too. I got some drinks, I got a shake. It was overall good vibes, overall good time nonetheless. Just put my camera on the little balcony right here. So hopefully this is a cool angle. But today, I just want to have a little reflection of the day. I didn't make money today. You guys got to understand you don't need to make money every day. Be okay with having days that you're not making money. Be okay having slow days because trust me, most people knock themselves out the game trying to rush the process. Most people knock themselves out the game trying to see the results that they're going to see in 5-10 years, in 5 days, in 10 days. You got to understand, all good things take time. You're not going to become a successful trader overnight. You're not going to be a disciplined trader overnight. You're not going to be a patient trader overnight. It's built over time. This is how you become a successful trader, by slowly doing the work day by day. It's not like you follow your trade rules one day and you're a great trader. No, it's the compound effect of 100 days, 1,000 days, 10,000 days. And most people don't understand that. They think if they can win one trade, then they're a great trader. No, anybody can win a trade. For all you know, you don't even really know if you won that trade because of your system or you got lucky. Because at the end of the day, it's always a probability game. There's a percent chance that you might win, percent chance you might lose. Every trade, if I flip a coin and get into a trade, there's a chance that I win, regardless the reasoning to get into the trade. That's why we always tell people not to focus on the system, the strategy as much. Focus on improving yourself. Focus on building the positive traits about yourself. That's going to ensure that you become a successful trader. My birthday's tomorrow. Overall, today wasn't really a crazy day for the most part. A lot of the days here that I've been in Miami have been raining. Like I was going to go to the beach today, and it rained, so that whole beach plan got foiled. I ain't gonna lie, but nonetheless, we're gonna try again tomorrow. The plan for tomorrow is I'm gonna wake up mad early and I'm gonna continue working on this project. This project is the main thing I'm moving forward with this week. I'm probably not gonna get it all recorded while I'm here, but that doesn't matter. I wanted to start it while I'm here. Now that I'm starting it, now that it's actually started, now that I got like 6 videos already recorded for the project, it's gonna change people's lives. I have no choice now but to start finishing. The hardest part is starting. Once you start, you have no other option but to finish it. Once you get that momentum, keep going. Once you have the motivation, start. Once you have that idea to start something, to do something, do it. This is a nice little Corvette down there. You might hear it. I had a feeling he was gonna do something, but it's a nice little Corvette. You gotta surround yourself around this, man. That's the reason I'm in Miami. And I don't know if I'm gonna move here. I'll talk to you guys about it in another video. I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna move here as of right now, just because of how much it is for what I'm gonna want, but nonetheless, we're gonna see. Something that only time is going to tell. 100%, only time will tell. But with that being said, this is where we're gonna end the video off. It was a cool vlog. Overall, I didn't do nothing when it comes to crazy work. I enjoyed my day in Miami. I did my work in the morning. I was active with VIP. I didn't trade. I'm creating content. Now I gotta get it out, upload it for you guys, and rinse and repeat. So if you wanna learn how to trade, if you wanna learn my concepts, my system, my strategy when it comes to how I'm getting in and out of the market, when it comes to my entries, my exit, the free trading course, the free trading webinars are gonna teach you so much information. Trust me, just take advantage of the free knowledge, because for all you know, it might not be free forever. You never know, one day it might be feeling crazy and disappear from the earth. You never know, take advantage of the free content while it's here, because that's one thing you can do. It's always about action. What can you do right now? You can do that right now, because you don't got to pay for it. You just got to give me the time. Tell yourself you're going to actually do it. Once you want to have a community of like-minded individuals to grow with, to trade with, to actually improve with, join VIP. Stay safe, stay productive, and I'm going to see you guys in tomorrow's video.